Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Hamani Is. Today I want to talk about cutting and bending method of reinforcement bar. So before we talk about it, what is reinforcement bar? Reinforcing bar is an absolute essential for the construction industry. Without this, not much building can be done. Here are the ways and wherefores about why they are such a vital tool for anyone working in this sector. After that, what is rebar cutting? Rebar, also known as reinforcing steel bar, is used to strengthen concrete section when building and other large structure are constructed. It arrives on site in standardized lengths, which means the task of cutting each piece to the required spec lies with the workman. Yes. So this is process cutting rebar step by step. People usually using a hacksaw. So cutting rebar with a hacksaw is the simplest, cheapest and most labor intensive method. Using a hacksaw requires first measuring the rebar and marking the cutting points. The rebar must then be clamped for safety.
My name is Muhammad Safi. So, other than using a hacksaw, we can using angle grinder. Angle grinder are available wherever people buy tools. They come in several sizes, but the 4 inches and 4.5 inches grinder are the most often used one for cutting rebar. Also then, using angle grinder, we can using circular saw. Most people place a high priority on circular saw. It slices through metal like hot butter through a knife. The most crucial thing to remember is always to use a diamond blade with a circular saw. Next, I will explain what is rebar bending. Rebar bending is reinforcement bar being bent either in order to follow the stress develop or to get properly anchored.
My name is Ahmad Daniel. I will explain how do you bend reinforced bar. In order to bending rebars, you will need to hold one side of it in place, then pull down the opposite end to bending it. As the vise holds the rebar in place, it bendings right where the vise stops and the free section of the bar begins. Make sure your vise is well anchored to your workbench. In addition, why is it necessary to bend bar for steel reinforcement? Steel reinforcement bar are bent to suit the design of a structure and to ensure properly reinforcement and tension. Manual bending can be risky as it can cause injury and strain to workers. Lastly, I will explain what are the best way to bend steel. Using hand, using a vise and hammer, and lastly using a plier.
Now it's my turn to tell 3 ways to bend steel. First of all, my name is Muhammad Nur Farizal bin Noraziz. First, using a hand. Some metal can be bent by applying force to them with your hand. Second is using a vise and hammers. This method involves clamping the metal in a vise and using a hammer to it until you get the desired angle. This is the ideal for small pieces of steel. And the last one is using a plier. The best plier for bending is concave and convex plier. These are great for bending and holding rings and are smooth as to protect soft metal. This is the end of our presentation. Thanks to pay attention. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.